Kia Seltos Infotainment. This is the HTX version where you get a full no button screen. I don't know how much size it might be 17-inch one. And I'm gonna show you walk around the features we have in this one. The touch sensitivity is very good. Here we get sound mode, like we get the party mode and all this lightning mode. If you turn it on, actually this is afternoon, we can't see it good in daylight. In the evening we can see it nice. I'll at the end of the video I'll put on how it looks in the evening. And this is the UOV mode, which we get the app and we can control most of the settings from the app. And this is smart air purifier. Here we can see the air quality index and the cleaning process inside the car. And we can set the auto mode and the speed and the rear screen on and off and filter. And the next thing is the phone. Once it's connected, we can directly. And this one is the driving info, and it gets updated whenever you want to watch. Update completed. Driving info, and then this one is the radio, the media, the map option. This is a complete map, very nice display. And then we have voice memo. By this we can save the voice memo to ourselves. And then we have the navigation settings, and here we have the general settings of all sound, display, voice recognition, phone connection and everything.